Right now, it is a windy and dry evening across our area.
And those conditions sparking fire concerns. We have team coverage this evening. Our chief meteorologist, Chris Justice, tracking our forecast.
But first, Nate Stanley is live in Greenville, where a fire at a dentist office reignited earlier due to the high winds. Nate?
Well, that's absolutely right. The Boiling Springs Fire Department says the flames were out here for several hours when this persistent wind likely reheated embers, causing a second fire here. Now, that since has been put out, but fire officials say that this complex and the businesses around it very fortunate tonight that the wind did not create that fire to spread and make things worse. Firefighters with the Boiling Springs Fire Department clean up Monday following a large fire that damaged the Carolina Dental Group building.
We were notified about the fire shortly after 10:40 last night. We arrived, we had visible flames through the roof. The crews put up 2 aerial devices and flowed a lot of water, got the fire extinguished and under control very quickly.
However, firefighters were called back on scene several hours later because the fire had started back up.
Even if it's 10, 12, 15 miles an hour, if it's persistent, can have very large impacts on fire suppression operations, and that's wildland or even just grass and brush fires, all the way up to structure fires with vinyl siding or commercial structure fires similar to this one.
Captain Chris Camacho says with the windy conditions, nearby businesses are fortunate this fire wasn't worse.
We had very high flame lengths coming out of the top of the building, and we did have some persistent wind, although it wasn't as high as it is right now. But just with that little bit of wind and the tall flames, we were very fortunate that no embers were scattered or ignited any other remote spot fires.
And he explains the goal now is to keep the building secure.
Operations today are making sure that the fire is completely extinguished. We'll do everything we can to prevent another rekindle. Then we'll resecure the building and work with investigators.
Now, no cause of the fire has been released yet. Of course, we will keep you updated as any new information becomes available. Reporting Greenville County, Nate Stanley, WIFF News 4.